Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carii, formerly known as Shy. Yes, I know it's different now. My name has changed on this channel. A big explanation as to why I changed my name will be coming soon, why the rebranding on my channel. So I have rebranded now Carii, so from now on you can call me Carii, Carii Boo, Carii Bay, or my real name Carol. But yeah, so today I'll be filming an everyday natural makeup look. Yes, it's my updated one. I know I did one before, but since then my makeup skills have improved, techniques have improved, and which I'm very much thankful for. One thing though, I'm not doing my eyebrows on camera. That takes hell. That takes so long, and I don't think you have to sit down watching me just go eyebrow and then conceal. It takes, eyebrows for me takes like 30 minutes max. I really don't want to put you guys through that, so I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera. But today's video is kind of different because I'm just going to show you the whole process of how I achieve this look. So without further ado, enjoy this video. So different video, huh? I'm actually going to talk through this video. Hope you don't get bored. Yeah, I'm gonna try and make this entertaining. I'm very awkward and weird, so God help me. So what I would do is use a mattifier primer on my face. This is by Sasha Cosmetics. Yes. This is it right here. It's really good. I totally recommend it. Ooh, it's so nice, so great. The thing right here kind of fell off because it usually doesn't give out a lot, and it's almost done. So if anybody from Sasha is watching this and wants to give a girl some products, you know, I would definitely rep it for you. So yeah, this is what I'm going to put on my face right now. I mean, I know it's not a lot, but at least I have a mattified primer to put on my face. And my face looks smooth and stuff. By the way, all of these are not expensive. These are cheap as hell. I'm a cheap person. Yes, I'm coming on YouTube and telling people that I'm a cheap person. Because in this life, trust me, you have to save. So I'm about to go off, go do my eyebrows and come back, and then we'll continue the video from there. So I got my eyebrows done. Yeah, it's pretty windy, but it's kind of hot at the same time. So alright, so I'm about to apply my foundation. It's by MAC. It's the Nourishing Waterproof Foundation. So what I usually do is apply it like this. Try not to put a lot on my skin, because I make it look like foolproof at the same time. So this keeps dropping off. Come off, y'all. Yeah, that's that for the foundation. As I said, I don't put a lot since it's a natural look. I do contour though, but it comes together in the end. So what I do is that I have a Mary Kay powder, right, but it broke up like really bad, so I keep it in this glass case that I have. And since there's powder all over the thing, just put on a brush and just apply it on from now before I contour. I don't know why, but it works. First, so so after applying the powder, I'm going to apply this concealer. I'm going to mix two concealers actually. I'm mixing my beautiful bronze with my fawn. Yes, fawn is light, but it works for me. What I'm going to do is spritz this beauty blender with some water in the spray bottle. Right, so it's pretty damp-ish to be used. So I start off with the beautiful bronze and then build up with the fawn. So first application is with beautiful bronze. I mean, I could just work with beautiful bronze as it is and then use a light powder. But I can't be bothered. I don't know. I'm kind of lazy for this. At the same time, I'm kind of hyped for this look. One day, hopefully, I can get a screen here so I can just like apply makeup and just watch. But for now, I have to use this mirror. No, I ain't one of them $1 million beauty gurus on Facebook. One day I'll get there though. God's willing. Speak it to be, boo. But yeah. Okay, so that's the first application of the first concealer. Then, mind you, this is not heavy on my skin, and I know when I put on heavy makeup, and I just do heavy makeup when I'm going out special, like on a date or something. So yeah, so this is the second. As you can see, I don't put on a lot. It might look a lot on camera, but it's just like I barely squeeze out any and I just like spread it around on my skin. So as I said, it's not really heavy on my skin. It might look that way, but it isn't. Because this is a natural look, so you don't want to overdo it at the same time. And then on my eyelids, to give it that natural look, I usually put a good amount on it and then use powder, light powder, to pack it down. Guys, I can't tell you how excited I am to be doing back makeup on YouTube again. I feel like I've been missing out on life. Mind you, I'm still out here watching YouTube videos for other people, you know, supporting other people, but for me, I haven't been grinding in a very long time and I'm happy to be back. I'm so happy. One thing though, I'm kind of sketchy about the things that I'm going to share on YouTube, because YouTube is such an open and public space, so you're basically sharing your life on YouTube, and there are certain aspects of my life that I want to keep private. Hence why I didn't do certain things back in the day, but I'm going to try and be better this time, you know, have an open mind. Mind you, there's still certain things I won't do on YouTube, because there's certain image I want to put out there, but at the same time, okay, just light. As I said, there's a certain image I want to put out there. So there's certain type of content you won't see me put out, but there's some that you actually see me actually go the extra mile and do. So if you guys want me to do anything, so just say down below in the comment section. I actually want to do more music based stuff this time, so look out for that. Music reviews, SoundCloud reviews. I actually started doing that on my channel, but I kind of stopped, but I'm bringing it back. because a lot of people are like really grateful that I'm actually out there supporting them, putting out their music, because not a lot of people go out their way and actually do stuff like that for like underground artists. And the type of person I am is that if I see you have talent, I'm not going to sit down and be like, I'll make sure people know, my people know, everybody know, because I support people. And the same way you support people, people support you at the same time. So don't be one of those people in life that you just sit down and you know say somebody good and you just keep quiet about it. Talk about it, because the more that you talk about it, the more you're supporting that person, bringing customers and people to them. So keep that in mind. So this is what I have so far. So I'm going to conceal my face with Mahogany by LA Girl Concealer. It's the darkest shade they have, I believe. After I contour my face like that, I bake. So today for the setting powder, I'll be using the Sasha Buttercup setting powder in a flash friendly. Trust me, I have to go easy with this. So I use this brush. Okay, so I have to apply it on this area, over my eyes, here, and on my forehead. I don't put it all the way up on my forehead, by the way, because I'm going to use another powder to define the contour of my face. But since this is a natural look, I'm not going to use too much of it. This is the MAC powder brush, but I use it as a contour. It actually really works for me. So what I do, like so. Use the same brush, by the way. I don't change the brush. It gives it a red undertone on my face, but it actually really works for my skin tone. So because I'm not setting my face for too long, use this brush. So yeah, that's it right there. That's the look. But I'm not done. I'm going to apply lip gloss on my lips. You know what I like? Weirdest thing, when you have like foundation on your lips and you just put lip gloss on it and it comes off like a nude look. I love that. Yeah, my lips are kind of chopped and dry. I'm so sorry for that. God help me. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, guys. I know I should be doing better. That's it for the gloss. Next thing that I have to do is put on mascara. This is what really brings out the look together. Believe it or not. After I put on the mascara, I'm going to put on this Milan Warm Compact Makeup Powder on my face, and I highlight the parts a little bit so I can bring it out, and then I use my normal face powder to do the rest. And that's the end of this look. Unfortunately, I don't have a setting spray or anything to make this look dewy, but as it is, this is the finishing look. I'm going to go put on clothes and then, you know, start for the camera one time, show y'all how it looks. So yeah, so come back. Okay guys, so this is the finishing look right here. I decided to put my hair up. With this look, it could go up, it could go down, go to the side, go to the next side. We all put a ponytail. I could put a ponytail at the top, but I like it like this. I like it with my big hoops or whatever. But yeah, let me start for y'all for the one time. One time.
Just tell me if you want breadfruit, breadfruit. You want breadfruit? Down to them called breadfruit. Catch it down, breadfruit. You want breadfruit? Tell me if you want roast breadfruit.
Okay guys, so thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe down below, like this video if you do like this look, like this video, and follow me on my social media, which will be on the screen. Everything is at Carii, CARIIBAE. Oh, I almost forgot it right there. But yeah, everything is at Carii. Twitter, Snapchat, and Instagram is at Carii. So yeah, so remember to stay positive. I spread. Yo, I forgot my outro. So remember this week, remember to stay positive, be positive, and spread positivity to everyone that you come across this week. Until next time, bye.